Entrepreneurs all day long, right? I know many of you have asked me this question. How do I start my own business? In fact, did you know that the Small Business Administration actually said that over 99% of businesses today in the United States are small businesses? That accounts for like 28 million businesses in general, so it's a huge number. So how do you even begin? Well, many of you might have a good idea, but from there you want to do a little bit more research. You want to go and set up a license. You want to make sure that the company name that you're looking for not only has a URL available online, right? But also is something that you can register locally that isn't being taken by another type of business. In addition, I recommend really talking to a tax accountant or tax professional about the different scenarios of setting up a business and what to look for. Because like many accountants, like mine for an example, has worked with businesses for over 30 years. He or she is very accustomed to the things that you should be looking for when setting up your own business. In addition, you want to speak with a financial advisor like myself who really works with lots of businesses and understands what it takes to get from point A to point B, and they'll give you some advice along the way. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions as you go on your entrepreneur journey, I'd love to hear from you. Send me those questions and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as I can. Take care now.